Hi, I'm Glenn Hickman. I'm here with my family, my sister Charmin, my dad Bill, my mother Gertie, and my brothers Billy and Clint. Welcome to Hickman Family Farms in Arizona. We've been a family-owned and operated farm since 1944. The business began when our grandparents, Guy and Nell, started selling eggs laid by hens in their own backyard. And our parents, Bill and Gertie, expanded the business with 500 hens. Our dad would work on the farm in the morning and deliver eggs in the afternoon. In the early days, one little refrigerated panel truck was big enough to deliver the fresh eggs to small grocers and restaurants in the area. Today, that one truck farm has grown into a multi-site operation based in Buckeye, Arizona.
Hi, I'm Billy Hickman, a third-generation egg farmer. We're here at our family farm in central Arizona.
Hi, I'm Clint Hickman, a third-generation egg farmer.
Hi, I'm Charmin Hickman, and welcome to Hickman Family Farms in Arizona.
Let's go inside. Approximately 3 million laying hens are housed in our environmentally friendly automated hen houses here in Arizona. We take great care of our hens and follow very strict guidelines to ensure they have adequate space, nutritious feed, clean water, and fresh air. We have a large flock, but we pay close attention to the health of each one of our hens. In fact, we have a team of specialists who monitor the health of each and every bird on a daily basis. Each day our hens lay more than 3 million eggs. Once the eggs are laid, they are gathered and transferred directly from the hen house to the processing plant.
Our hens produce eggs here in Buckeye. What happens is the chicken, who's safely in her barn, lays the egg. After the egg leaves the hen, it rides on a series of conveyor belts up to our processing machine. Then goes through a series of 2 washing machines. It then comes up, gets dried. The automatic check detection system sends sonic signals through the egg to listen and make sure that it's perfect quality inside. Next, it rolls past a series of cameras. The cameras look both at the inside of the egg as well as the outside to look for any abnormalities. It goes then to the weighing system, and in 1/100th of a second, the computer determines if it's a jumbo, extra large, large, medium, or small, and sends it to an egg packer. It drops into the egg packer, of which all large or all jumbos come in, gravitates down, and makes its way into the carton. The carton then rolls along a conveyor belt and goes either to a person that is putting it into an outside cardboard case, or it could actually even go to a robot that puts it into a case.
Eliminating the need to move eggs by hand or other equipment reduces factors that might cause breakage and reduces waste. Once they've been inspected and sorted, they're packed and loaded into refrigerated trucks and delivered fresh to your store. Chances are you're serving delicious fresh eggs to your family just 24 hours after being laid. When we say we provide fresh eggs, we mean it.
Our farm is a diverse operation that employs many sustainable and innovative practices. We make the most of our water here on the farm. In our hen houses and on our farm, nothing goes to waste. We started recycling the water used to wash eggs about 5 years ago, funneling it into an on-site compost operation. That immediately saved us as much as 250,000 gallons of water a month. At our newest location, we built chicken houses to take advantage of the winds, helping to cool the interior using less water and power. Manure on the farm is removed daily, dried, ground, and turned into high-quality fertilizer that we distribute to other agricultural businesses, including several organic vegetable farmers in the region for use on their farms and turf. We're always looking to recycle and conserve. Our family believes that a healthy environment is just as important as providing you safe, nutritious eggs.